start today. I forget the date. I'm losing my hat here, so I gotta hold on to it here. Sorry. Hey, look inside here. Look at that roof. This is the way the kivas were done. The same style of roof. Where they have that cribbing, he said. But yeah, it's inside there. Very nice. Look at the roof on this here, like he talked about. Mud and these other little particles that they put in there and pack that in there. You don't have to worry about rain or anything. But this is the Hogan. Here, I come back here. Yeah, we were just inside there. All right. This was the Hogan that we just visited here. We're going back to the van. We're going to come around the other side. We were just inside there. And this is the other one where they can do cooking and some other things over here. So this one they can have meetings or whatever. So it's just a little bit different structure here. Well, we got an overlook coming up ahead here. So we're walking down to it right now in the wind. You can see some ruins down there. Yeah, very windy up here. Holding on for dear life. I don't want to get blown over. Luckily, my girth will keep me from doing that. This is it here. It's blowing in the wind here. What can I say? Well, here's the other side of the scenic viewpoint. I'm holding on here. The wind's trying to blow me over here. I gotta talk loud, but you can see little caves and stuff in there. Very windy here, very windy. I gotta hold on to the camera. Walking down here now. Trying to watch my step. It's not flat surface here. All those caves in there. Tough getting to them, that's for sure. But I don't know. This could be a lot of slip and falls there. That's for sure here. All right. Some of them go back in there. Pretty good distance. So there's the top of the canyon right up there. Come around here. And you can come around the other side. Look down there. And there's the rest of it. It comes around. Comes around over here. Right there. The camera's shaking here from the wind here. I'm trying to hold steady as best I can. And then you got over here, you got the old Pueblo down there in the shade. Hard to see there, but there it is. Okay, it's windy, windy, windy. Well, that's where we were over there on the lookout point. And now we're heading back up to the van here. All right. As you can see where the two canyons split here. One goes that way, one goes that way. But we're right here in the wind. Nice sunny day, very warm. If it wasn't for the wind, it'd be like balmy.
So I was taking on these pictures and I deleted probably 80%. Yeah.
There we go. Well, I can't go too much further because the wall ends here, and I'm not going over those rocks. A gust of wind could come up and tumble me down there. That'd be the end of one-man travel. So you don't want that. You want me to stay here and make videos for you so people can subscribe there and enjoy themselves too. Hopefully, we like people to enjoy themselves.